Hello everyone, I'm Farel Imran and today I'll be telling you about another amazing thing. Microsoft has developed Vasa 1 and Vasa 1 it creates realistic talking faces from a photo and audio in real time. Like you give photo to it and you add audio to it. So it will create the expressions and the realistic talking faces that you won't believe. So let me show you here. So here's a blog in which it says that it takes the faces like the photos and the audio clip, so it converts it to expression. Like if you look at this, see here, like this is the photo and these are the talking faces. And let me take you to the website. So here, if you see here, so it's a framework for generating lifelike faces of virtual characters with appealing visual effective skills. Means they have their own expressions, like with the expressions, the way they're talking, you won't ever believe that it's a photo. Like it's converted into video. So okay, so if you look at this, so here it's a photo, and then this is a photo, and this is the video. If you see here, like look at her expression, it looks so realistic. It looks like some person is talking to you. And let me show you here about this one. So the way her expressions, the way her lips are moving, and how his head is moving, so you can't believe that it's just a photo. And even this one, like this person, this is a photo, and then it's, you can say, a talking photo. Wow, that's so amazing. So here, even if you see, just look at the expressions, they're so amazing, so amazing. You can't believe. Okay, by the way, these pictures are virtual, just Mona Lisa is real. So these are AI generated images that are taken to experiment on, and they add the audios to it so that they can create the, even here, if you see. So if you see here, okay, this one also, these are her different things, like where is her head direction, her main eye gaze, like where she's looking, where is the head looking, and where she's looking. Here she's looking at the front, here she's looking at the side, here she's looking at the other side, and here it looks like she's looking at the top, not at you. And this also, like if it's like about her, here she's far, she's nearer, and then here she is near. Okay, if you look at this one also, so here these are the different expressions. Like here he has the expression of, that person who's, emotionless. Yep, here he's happy, here he's angry, and here he's a surprised person. So different expression, and he's talking. Wow. So here it can under different emotions, means neutral, happiness, anger, and surprise. And here the out of distribution. Okay, so they can handle photo and audio inputs that I told you, and it can also handle artistic photos, singing audios, and non-English speech also. So here you can see she's rapping, by the way. The painting Mona Lisa, she's rapping. Oh my god, the way she's speaking, she looks scary. Okay, this one, she's singing. Okay, and this person, he's talking, and this person is talking in, some other language. Okay, so disentanglement. Okay, so they have the 3D head pose, facial dynamics. It enables the separate attribute control and editing of the generate content. So here, if you look at this, like the way her head is moving, the way her lips are moving, looks so realistic. And here they say our method generates video frames of 512 into 512 size at 45 fps frames per second in the offline batch processing mode and can support up to 40 fps in the online streaming mode. Okay, so here they said in the evaluated on a desktop PC with a single NVIDIA RTX 4090 GPU. So on this GPU, so they can generate video frames of 512 into 512 size at 45 fps. Okay, so if you look at this, so you can see how this is made. So this is a real-time demo in which they're taking the picture, and then after that they're uploading the video, the audio, sorry. And then here they're seeing the X, Y, Z, the gaze, where to, whether it's the front, it's the back. Okay, here you can see the person is looking at the front, so it looks like the person's talking to you. So here also, okay, so the speed, the pitch, the volume, you can make the changes in it. And here also, see where he's looking, whether he wants to look at the side or up or down. So they're using this thing. And Z, whether it's like zoom in or zoom out. So they're doing this. Okay, so make it feel like the person who's talking so real. Wow, it's like the lip syncing is so realistic. So okay, but there are some risks to it, of course, because there might be things like scamming also. So, so their skills for virtual AI avatars were aiming for positive, but they might be people who might deceive or mislead also. You know, to like they can take your photo and then add some other audio, and then they can send it to you. It can be dangerous for you also, people, but it's one of the amazing technologies also. Like some people can use it for their, you know, like for example whatever characters they made, so they can animate the character by just adding the audio and the character can talk to it instead of making the whole thing like the eyebrows up, the lips up, down, the talking thing, which takes a lot of time. So this is a good technology. So that is all from my side. Thank you so much.